Hi, so this is question number 84 on stoichiometry. Determine the limiting reagent when 3 moles of ammonia are reacted with 96 grams of O2. This is the equation. And just to determine the limiting reagent here, we're not really solving or calculating, the amount of products. So we have 3 moles of ammonia and 96 grams of O2. So this is 96 grams. But can we convert that 96 grams to moles? Yes, we can. The molar mass of O2 is 2 multiplied by 16, and that is 32 grams per mole. So if you divide this by 32, you're going to have an answer 3 moles. Oh, it's also 3 moles. Very good. So it's 3 moles and this is 3 moles. So which of them is the limiting reagent? This is a very wonderful question, as you might be observing now. It's very wonderful. They're both 3 moles, right? How do you know the limiting reagent? Well, if you have been following, if you've watched other videos, you'll know what would come next at this point. You would also know, if you have been watching other videos, that you don't judge based off the number of moles only. You have to do what we call getting a ratio. So the ratio for ammonia is the number of moles of ammonia that is being introduced divided by the stoichiometric coefficient. And I mean this number here I'm circling. That's the coefficient of ammonia in the stoichiometric equation. All right. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Okay, so ratio of ammonia is going to be 3 number of moles of ammonia divided by stoichiometric coefficient. That's it. How about the ratio for the other one, oxygen, is going to be the number of moles of oxygen, 3, divided by the stoichiometric coefficient, 5. So you evaluate 3 over 4 and you evaluate 3 over 5. Then you can judge between this and this. Which is the smaller one? Look at it very well. Which is the smaller one there? 0.75 or 0.6? Yeah, 0.6. Good. So 0.6 being the smaller one here would just mean that oxygen is our limiting reagent. That's it. Determine the limiting reagent, oxygen. That's all. So we're going to head on to question 85. You see how easy this is. It's not that difficult. You just have to compare the moles and determine that one. Alright, so if you're seeing this on YouTube, subscribe to this page so that you'll be able to see video number 85 and learn more about stoichiometry generally. You can also like this video if you got any value from it. Have fun. Bye-bye.